This video is how to replace the element on glass top range stove. There is one element that's not working, so you can do it by yourself. You don't have to hire a professional. As you can see, uh, one of the element is not burning, like this one. That one is working, so this one needs to be replaced. So you can do it by yourself. Like I said, you don't have to hire a professional. It's very easy. But before you do anything else, make sure to unplug the power outlet from the wall. Careful when you unplug it. Here you go. So all you need is this screwdriver and star. So open this up. And simply remove the two screws, this one and that one first. So this unit is like lifting. You don't have to remove the whole top glass. So this is the element that needs to be replaced, this one. So in order for you to get an access to remove the element, all you have to do is lift this up and hold it from behind. What I'm going to do is I will use this in order to lift this, and just to protect from the scratch, I just put a rug and something, hook this from behind. So what I've done is I put something that can hold from the back, like a chair, in order to hook the other end of this rubber. You can close this. So once it is set up, everything set up, all you have to do only is just remove this clip from this. There are two of it. This one and this will come down. Be careful. While pulling this out. There you go. As you can see, this metal, this should be continuous. I saw the problem now here. See, if you look at it, this one, so this is disconnected. I mean, got snapped. So this needs to be replaced. I don't have to replace this one, but this is the whole set. You cannot buy just this piece. So all you have to do is change the whole thing. So the trick part is the wiring. Make sure that you have connected with the same position. I have the replacement one. The other way for you to check is you can use a multimeter if there's a continuity or not. Like for this one, the replacement I got is if you check this, make sure to check, put your multimeter to where the tone is, so you can test this. I'm not sure if you can hear the tone. So this is good. Whereas if I check this one, because there's a disconnection, there's no tone in this one for sure. So guys, because this is complicated, this wiring, what I suggest with you is just put besides it and then get the wiring. So make sure that you have properly connected. Exactly the same. The other way is you can take the picture so that you not get confused which one is which connector needs to go to the correct pin. So like what I did is I did a side by side and then connected the new one, the wiring to the new one from the old one. So the pairing is done. So I can remove this now and the new one is connected already. So this is now ready and you can put it back. Make sure to put the wire there and this one as well on the top. That goes there. And put this back. It goes there. There you go. So this is almost done. Everything is fixed, but check connections are all intact. By the way, this is a Whirlpool glass top. Now it's ready to plug in. Make sure to put it back, the screws. There are 2 screws. So the next is time to check if it is like we replace the whole thing, if it is burning. I put it on. This is the bridge. In the real one, There you go. Everything's working now. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. This one is not working before because of the wiring snap.
Wow!
So guys, this is done. I hope this will help you to save. You can do it by yourself. If you have any comments, comment down below, and like and share and subscribe if you can. Thank you.